RoadGlideSully here doing a YABO. This is a trade YABO that I did with Four-Eyed Piper, Zach. So I think he's already recorded a video on his side, and this is the video on my side, and it is also a VR to Elwood Maker's GAW. So if you haven't seen his, I think it's a 500 subscriber GAW. He's encouraging people to do trades between YTPC members, and then for every trade that you do, you post your video, they post their video, and then the two of you are entered into his giveaway. So this is the trade that I did with Four-Eyed Piper. So I'm going to try to do this facing this way. I actually know what I'm getting because it was a trade, although there is one element of what I got from Zach that I have not opened. I do not know exactly what it looks like. I know what it is. So I traded him some stuff, and he sent me a couple of things. So he sent me that, he sent me that, and he sent me that. So I'm going to open each one of these things up, and you'll be able to see with me the things that I got from Zach. So he's packed them very well. So this is a tobacco that I have not tried. This is Frog on a Log. So it's a McClellan blend. Obviously McClellans are discontinued, but this is Frog on a Log. I have not tried this yet. So I'm actually looking forward to cracking this tin open and giving it a shot. It's from 2017. So I'm more than happy to add this to the cellar. And then this one is a tobacco that I have tried, and you can probably already see what it is. I have already tried Nightcap. In fact, this was the very first English blend that I ever had. And I did not do any research before I tried it. Everybody was, saying it was really heavy on the nicotine, etc. And I just went for it and tried it. Sorry, you can hear my dogs in the background. And then this is a piece that I have not seen. I know it's a tamper, and I know that Zach handmade this tamper. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what he did, because I love getting things that people have, spent their time and their effort to make. And actually, I'm just going to do this. And if I'm not mistaken, I know what it is. It's a tamper. I just have never seen it. So you guys are seeing this with me for the first time. Let's open it up and look at that. That is a deer antler tamper. And he's got some nice little rustication marks on there. That's awesome, Zach. I've been thinking about doing this with some of my deer antlers, and I just haven't gotten around to doing it yet. Sorry guys, I had to pause the video, guys and gals. I had to pause the video because I got another YABO from my wife. Look at that. She loves me. So anyway, where was I? I was on the antler. So I wish you guys could feel this, because this has got some weight to it. And you can tell I love the little dimples that he's put in it. And it's nice and polished. I'm looking forward to using this. Zach, I'd love to see how you made this, because I also noticed that you've ground down the end a little bit. So I'd love to hear a little bit more about how you did that. Like I said, I've got a couple of deer antlers that I would love to do stuff like this with. So anyway, that was my side of the trade. I also, because I participate in a lot of Zach's lives. Anytime I see him live, I try to at least chime in. And one of the lives, he had mentioned that he had a bag of Penzance for sale. And so, although we did the trade for what you see here, for these these three things here, I also purchased from him an 8-ounce bag of Penzance. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see back here in the corner, that is Penzance right there. So I have tried Penzance. I know everybody wants Penzance. It's really good, according to everybody. I actually think it's good, but I gotta be honest, I think I like Pembroke and Margate better. That's just me. So if I had to rank them, I would probably go Pembroke, Margate, because I love the cognac on the Pembroke, and then Penzance. But even though I like those better, the stuff is still awesome. So I like pretty much any Esoterica. So I was able to pick that up from him as well. So there you have it. That's my YABO, and that's all I got for you now. I'm going to do another video here shortly, but before I do that, I am going to show you a couple of guests that I often have with me in my office.
Yeah, and
say hi to the YTPC.
Pipe, same exact pipe. You got the number 4.
Say hi.
Bent brandy.
Say hi.
The same as mine.
Good girl. Good girl.
Was incomplete.
This is Marley.
Thanks, Blue Dog. Yeah.
It's one of my 2 boxers.
Up pretty good now. So
Say.
it seems.
Say.
It
Say hi.
seems very odd that it would be
Say hi.
incompletely drilled unless they were.
Say hi.
You know, grinding.
Good girl. Yeah. This is Sadie.
It seems like
She's my other boxer.
when he shined his
I got 2 of them.
You could actually see that there was like a flat side to
Watching
it.
a little Zach
You
live.
have to go in and re-drill it.
Yeah.
For the price.
There you have it. Now you've met the dogs. That is all I got. So I am RoadGlideSully. Keep the rubber side down.